Hey, Jennifer Polizzi here from Orion Lending. Thanks for joining me at my USDA Loan Success video series. And I'm going to talk about in this video how to check if your property is eligible for a USDA mortgage loan. USDA loans are government-backed loans given out by the USDA, and they allow for 100% financing in eligible areas. So if you want to check out if your borrower is eligible for a USDA loan, keep watching this video and I will show you where to find that. Again, before we move on, like and subscribe so you get notified when I post all of these great videos to my YouTube channel. So let's check out how to check your eligibility for a USDA mortgage loan. So when you go to the USDA eligibility check, and I'm going to put this in the comment section of this video, here is the address. You can Google USDA eligibility, click on this, and it will come up for you. You want to make sure you are checking USDA Family Housing Guaranteed. That is what's going to be available to mortgage brokers. And then we're going to go with property eligibility, that section. Then you are going to put an address in here. I'm going to use a current listing in Batavia, New York to get an eligible area. And then it's going to give you a PIN, and it is going to show you what is eligible and if your property is eligible. So let's see here. We look and we see our property. Here's the PIN. It does say this address is located in an eligible area. So we know that our loan and our property will be eligible for the USDA program at 100% LTV financing. Now you can always check out the area. Let's say your borrower is not quite sure where they want to buy and they want to find an area that is eligible for USDA financing. You can then go to the proposed eligibility area and look at all these areas that are white. So the tan areas are not eligible. So those are ineligible. So those tend to be around the denser populated areas. But if you have borrowers that are looking outside of areas that are not as populated, there will be opportunities for them in certain areas that are still populated. I mean, if we take an example of Brockport, New York, there's a college in that town, but it also is eligible for a USDA 100% LTV financed home. So there are a lot of opportunities. You can look in any state in the country and it's going to give you that information on areas that are eligible outside of these areas, and your borrowers can kind of look around if they want to shop around for 100% LTV financed home. And once you get to that website, that's how easy it is to check property eligibility for a USDA 100% LTV financed mortgage loan. If you have any other questions about USDA loans, please reach out. I'd be happy to help, or check out my YouTube channel where I've got lots of product information about all the great mortgage loan products we have here at Orion Lending. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. I hope you have an amazing day.